Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving ownership in Bing Webmaster Tools so Bing trusts you. That's essential. Once you've added your site, upload or confirm sitemap. XML so crawlers know the URL structure. Now submit the specific URL or batch using the URL submission API or the Webmaster interface. This forces a crawl sooner. Make sure pages return 200 aren't blocked by robots. TXT and include canonical tags so Bing indexes the correct version. Once URLs are submitted, optimize each page to increase indexing likelihood. You want fast load times and a responsive design because Bing prioritizes mobile-friendly content. Add structured data to clarify content types and improve the chance of rich snippets. Also, remove redirect chains and set canonical URLs so Bing doesn't treat duplicates as separate pages. Monitor crawl and index reports in Webmaster Tools to catch errors and adjust robots. TXT or meta directives as needed. Finally, monitor Bing's index coverage and crawl logs to verify the pages indexed and spot issues. If pages show errors or are blocked, fix server issues, remove accidental noindex tags, and unblock resources in robots. TXT. After corrections, use fetch as Bing or resubmit the URL or sitemap so Bing recrawls quickly. If indexing still fails, check duplicate content and structured data errors. One key tip: clear caches and wait 24/72.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.